Remember, you bring me here in America and make me homeless, right? Remember, me not hear from you for the whole of COVID, the whole of 2019, after me get back my green card. Remember, I didn't hear from you. You never care if I did. You never care if me alive or me dead, right? So why all of a sudden me make a OnlyFans? You want to have a say in my life and you do nothing for me. My father left me at Jamaica with my mother from me at 5 years old. I'm gonna see back that man till me at 15. And it hurt my heart for no say. Me think about him every day. Because I always remember this one memory when me and him have. The last time I see him, he come for me and carry me go to KFC. He buy me juice and chicken and corn. And that day just stuck in my head. Like, me never expect him to be like that. Like, I expect him to be different. Like, you see your daughter for years and she is 15 now. Like, me never expect him to be like that. I think him to know better. Like, oh, you have to put a man over your daughter. Like, I would never have a daughter and choose a man over my daughter. Never, ever, 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 ever. I would never do it. And the sad thing about it is when him tell me, say, me figure look man because me a big woman now and him can't help me no more. This man not call me none till for my 21st birthday. I call him 1 week before my 21st birthday. I always try to reach out to him, but him never put in no effort to help me. I always call him and ask him for help, and him never ever ever wanna help me. Him never wanna help me. This man never wanna help me. So I said to myself when I got sick, I'm gonna start a OnlyFans. A friend of mine told me about OnlyFans and I started or whatever, and it was going pretty well for me and everything. And then I eventually met this guy and he didn't want me to do it and I stopped doing it. He reached out to my father too also. He reached out to him and him tell him a bag of crap. Him tell him how much him love me I'm daughter, and me bad and me this and me that. Why you keep telling people all these bad things about me when you don't know me? You left me at Jamaica with my mother when me at 5. Me not see you back till me at 15. And a pure disaster. As you come back in my life, a pure disaster. The first time I come America, me never expect it to be like this. It traumatized me. You ruined my childhood. I can say you ruined my childhood. You literally ruined my childhood. It better you didn't make me stay at Jamaica. It better you didn't make me stay at Jamaica. You need to take me here if you know say I said you don't treat me. You need to take me here if you know say I said you don't treat me. This is unfair. Very much unfair. And me never asked for this and me never signed up for this. You brought me into this. And you go ahead and you turn your back on me. And then when I try to search and search and search for a way out, there you are, pop up out of nowhere like you did nothing for me. You did nothing for me but make my life a living hell. My mother used to tell me about you, but me get to see for myself in real life. Say you is nothing but a little pussy. Yeah. And I hope you see that video and I hope you watch it and look for me and see how your daughter get big. You go see how your daughter get big. and you're not in your daughter's life, and you will never be a part of my life. I forgive you. I not have you up, but I not gonna ever forget what you do to me. I not gonna ever forget how you carry me and make me suffer. People throw me out in a cold, in a winter. Me have to stay at people place, people show me all kind of bad face, people do me all kind of things. And me have to put up with it because I can't do better. And you bring me here, you're responsible for me. Do you know how I feel? Do you know how I feel to know that I have a father? And